Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Monica 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series, where we provide you with the tools, resources, and insights you need to navigate the world of artificial intelligence. In our last episode, we explored how to navigate the AI solutions marketplace at newbits.ai, helping you discover the right AI models, tools, and platforms for your needs. Today, we're going to dive into one of the key decisions you'll face when selecting an AI solution: open source versus proprietary. Let's explore the differences between these two types of solutions and help you make an informed decision. Let's start with open source AI solutions. Open source means that the code or model behind the AI is freely available for anyone to use, modify, or improve. Here are some key advantages of open source AI. Transparency. Because the code is publicly available, open source AI solutions offer a level of transparency that can be critical for understanding how an AI system works and ensuring ethical practices. Customization. Open source solutions allow users to customize the code to fit their specific needs. This can be particularly beneficial for developers and researchers who want to build on top of existing AI frameworks. Community support. Open source AI projects often have large active communities that contribute to development, provide support, and share resources. This collaborative nature leads to continuous improvement and innovation. However, open source AI solutions do come with certain challenges. Technical expertise required. Open source solutions generally require a higher level of technical expertise to implement and modify. If you're not a developer or don't have a technical background, it may be more difficult to fully leverage an open source AI solution. Support and maintenance. Unlike proprietary solutions, open source projects often lack formal customer support. You may need to rely on the community or hire external experts if you encounter issues. When working with open source AI solutions, development platforms play a crucial role in accessing and implementing these technologies. Two major platforms in the AI ecosystem are GitHub and Hugging Face. GitHub serves as a comprehensive development platform that hosts repositories for countless open-source AI models, provides version control for collaborative development, offers an interactive environment for testing AI models, enables direct deployment to production environments. Hugging Face specializes as an AI-focused platform that maintains a vast library of pre-trained models, provides essential datasets for model training, offers implementation tools and resources, facilitates community collaboration and knowledge sharing. Our AI solutions marketplace at newbits.ai helps you navigate these platforms by curating the best open-source solutions, providing clear documentation and use cases, offering direct links to implementation resources, including community reviews and ratings. Next, let's look at proprietary AI solutions. Proprietary solutions are developed and owned by companies or individuals, and access to them is often restricted through licensing or subscription models. Here are the key advantages of proprietary AI. User-friendly. Proprietary AI solutions are typically designed to be more user-friendly, with easy-to-use interfaces and customer support. This makes them a great option for businesses or individuals who don't have the technical expertise to build or modify AI models from scratch. Customer support. With proprietary solutions, you'll usually have access to dedicated customer support, which can be a huge benefit if something goes wrong or you need assistance with implementation. Security and compliance. Many proprietary AI platforms offer higher levels of security and compliance, which can be important for industries with strict regulatory requirements, such as healthcare or finance. The drawbacks of proprietary AI solutions can include cost. Proprietary solutions often come with licensing fees or subscription costs, which can add up over time, especially for businesses that need to scale their AI capabilities. Limited customization. While proprietary solutions are user-friendly, they are often less flexible than open-source options. You may not be able to modify the underlying code or customize the solution to fit your specific needs. So, how do you decide between open-source and proprietary AI solutions? Here are a few factors to consider. Your technical expertise. If you have a technical background or access to a development team, open-source AI solutions may offer the flexibility and customization you need. On the other hand, if you're looking for an easier, more user-friendly experience, proprietary solutions may be a better fit. Your budget. Open-source solutions are typically free, but they may require significant time and resources to implement and maintain. Proprietary solutions may come with a cost, but they often include additional support and security features. Your use case. Consider the industry or domain you're working in. If security and compliance are top priorities, proprietary solutions might be the better option. If you need full control and customization of your AI models, open-source solutions could be the way to go. At newbits.ai, we provide access to both open-source and proprietary AI solutions through our AI Solutions Marketplace, helping you find the right fit for your needs. In our next episode, we'll explore the world of language AI solutions, including models and tools designed to help with natural language processing, text analysis, and more. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.